Okay, on the left there's quite a few of commercial buildings. The big one just a little bit behind us on the left is the old IBM complex. Okay, here you can see the Intercoastal Waterway. It's come out fairly extensive in here. Everybody has their own private pier.
Are we in Boca?
We are just north of Boca. We're actually in Delray now.
Okay.
So we're headed over to the beach, which will be Delray Beach. This is a public beach, as is by the amount of people that are on it. So over on our right, you see this floating thing. There's usually a barge sitting there, which is pumping sand from over there to over here. So that's why there's a lot of sand, whereas you notice further up, the beach is a lot smaller.
I
See? Look, you're flying. This is all you. This is the most expensive trailer park in the United States. Yep.
Wow.
Right on the beach. Here we're coming up on Boynton Beach. There's a really large mansion off to our left that we're coming up. This used to be Oprah's old house. Now I've been told it's owned by Bruce, one of the mobsters' lawyers. This is the Boynton Beach Inlet with the Boynton Beach Fishing Pier, which allows access from the ocean to the Intercoastal. All these houses have little tunnels that go underneath the road that go from the house to their little beach home, so that if they want to go to the beach, they don't even have to cross the street. We're going to be making a left turn here. So this is Manalapan. Very nice place. Just a little bit more left pressure. There you go. Marina on our right with quite a bit of dry dock. Boats going through repairs. This is Atlantic. Yeah. If you ever get lost, you can always just fly by the interstate here and look at the signs, figure out where you are. Did we enjoy it?
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah, we have a little bit of a cool down, so if you want to leave your headset on, you don't have to yell at each other, but you can open your door for a little bit of airflow. It's fine.